Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Propwire, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you use the draw tool in Propwire? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use the draw tool in Propwire anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online wholesale business, working in various markets, you know that property prices can change from one side of the street to the other. So with the draw tool, you can get a little bit more precise on the property that you're pulling. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Propwire dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already pulled up my Propwire account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to use the draw tool, first what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and just zoom into the area. So we'll zoom in over here. Let's say you're into Portland, Oregon. And instead of using a zip code or a name of a city or a county, we can zoom into the area that maybe we're looking to buy, or maybe the area that we're looking to comp. So let's say here's a map right here. So for example, there looks like there's a freeway running right down the middle here. So property values on this side of the freeway, let's say, are more of my target than this side of the freeway, but maybe they're in the same zip code. So what we can do is we can go ahead and just zoom into the area. So it looks like there's a main street right here, a main street right here, and another main street, and it's bordered by the freeway right here. So anytime you're crossing one of these streets, it could bounce you into a different zip code, and maybe that's okay with me. So what we can do is, once we're into the general area, you're going to click on this draw tool here on the top left. All right, now it's activated. You should see your cursor. It's kind of like a little cross, as you can see here. So you're going to drop the starting point. We'll start it right here. And then once you drop it, by clicking on that little section, you're going to see this line. So we can use the draw tool like this, depending what the street shape is. For this particular part of the country, it looks like it's pretty square. So we can go ahead and just drag it all the way over here to this main street and then click again. And that's going to restart the point. And then if we move it around, you can see you're going to look at this line and just drag it on over to this other point. And then once you get to that point, go ahead and click. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and just drag it back on over here to the freeway. And if there happens to be a little nugget over here that we want to include, we can go like there and keep clicking, and it's going to drop a point. But for me, I only want this side of the freeway. So I'm going to go back up here to the original and then just click on it. Okay, now it's separating all of those houses just in that little area, as you can see here. So now that we have designated a farming area or the area we're searching, we can go ahead and add in these other filters. So let's say we're only doing single family residence, and we only want to go up to estimated value of, let's say, 400,000. And you can see it just starts trimming it down. Now there's only 5 results. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to use your Propwire draw tool, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.